Today we are cooking a chicken curry, but this isn't going to be a standard traditional fatty chicken curry. This is going to be a healthy one. 0 carbs, if I'm not wrong.
You can make it 0 carb.
Okay, we're gonna have 0 carbs.
0 carb.
We did have like noodles last time we had this, like these water noodles that are 0 calories. Do we have those with us today?
Did you eat them all?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you buy any more?
No.
Oh, guess not. Right. So what are we starting with? Yeah, cooking the chicken first. Yeah.
Yeah. So got the chicken first. Chicken curry. Stick that in the pan.
So it's chicken breast that I've diced up here. It's humane raised. No antibiotics.
And then we've prepared here cut up vegetables. We have onions, peppers, carrots, rainbow carrots, and cauliflower. And then I'm going to grate in some fresh ginger and turmeric. So we're going to put all these veggies in right now.
Sounds good. Okay. So this is a steel pan, so it will stick if you don't keep stirring it. This is not a non-stick.
So you're going to put the vegetables in with the meat, and we're going to stir that up for a little bit.
Until it's ready, which should take around 7 or 8 minutes.
Yeah, we're going to saute for 1 to 2 minutes, and then
like you would think that we'd be experts at this by now, but as you can see, Sybil is looking at her phone.
I'm looking at my recipe. I haven't memorized this yet. Still new. Because usually I don't look at how much to put of something, but this one I'm trying to be spot on about. So now, after you sauteed the vegetables and the chicken for about 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to add in the curry powder. So we're doing 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of curry powder. That's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, but we haven't done as much chicken as maybe what the recipe called for.
All right. Well, it's just there's no calories.
No, I know. So it'll be very curry flavored.
Maybe we'll do. How's that?
Yes, yeah, planning.
Okay.
Damn, that's a lot.
Measure.
I want to taste the chicken, you know?
Yeah.
Seems a little bit suspicious that you're disguising the taste.
No, add some salt. I'm doing like 10 shakes.
And that's Himalayan pink salt, not table salt. Gotta be specific, baby.
Very specific. So now you're gonna saute this for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're gonna add in the red curry paste, lime juice, and coconut milk. And we have a low-fat coconut milk. But there are a few variations you could do if you are, for example, following a fat loss diet. You can cut out the coconut milk and just do half coconut milk and then the other half water. And but we're on a muscle building track right now, so we're going to use that full can.
A little bit of fat.
A little bit of fat.
So we are going 0 carbs on this, though. I guess.
I might not.
Okay.
I might do these noodles.
Okay, so Sybil's got some brown rice noodles she's gonna have.
They're my fun. I don't know. I don't think I'm saying that right. My fun rice noodles. They're really thin.
What's the recipe? What's on the ingredients, sorry?
Brown rice, flour, and water.
Oh wow.
Easy. Okay. So before you add anything else, like before you add the red curry paste and everything, you want to make sure the chicken is cooked through.
Yeah, I'll take another 5 minutes or so.
You think
yeah.
so?
Yeah, for
Do you
sure.
think we need more oil?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're using coconut oil, organic extra virgin coconut oil.
Thing is, these pans burn really bad unless you seal them, and the way that you seal them is to melt some coconut oil. That's plenty.
Okay.
You melt some coconut oil in there, and then you allow the pan to completely cool down. or you wipe out the excess and let the pan cool down, which then seals it. But we didn't do that.
We didn't do that.
So now the pan is getting burned.
So now we're never going to clean that pan off.
I'd say you could put the rest of the stuff in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so next, so once the chicken's cooked through, which I hope it is.
Yep.
It is? How do you know chicken's cooked through?
I can guess. I've cooked enough chicken, and the thing is, we did this last time. It continues to cook after you've put all this stuff in.
Okay, so it's, alright.
Trust me, I'm a farmer.
So this is going to be 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. Ooh, that is burning.
I know. Not surprising.
Juice from 1 lime. And of course, the 1 can of coconut milk.
That's a lot of coconut milk. If that was me, I'd do half. Way too much. Do you want to put the chili powder in or ginger?
Yeah, let's do the ginger. All straight.
Or curry?
I put the curry. I put the curry. I put that. We could put some chili flakes if we want.
A little bit of chili.
And then I'm going to be grating some fresh ginger and turmeric in here.
Ginger is great as an anti-inflammatory. Curry, great for thermogenesis, or the chili powder, chili flakes. Sorry. We got we got some fiber in here too.
What about turmeric?
Turmeric, great anti-inflammatory. It's a good wound healer.
What about fingernails?
Fingernails, good.
Slip some of that in there.
Some collagen.
Cool.
And then how long do we allow that to simmer?
Okay. So we want to let this simmer until it starts boiling, and then we're going to add in the cabbage, and then we're going to cook that for a few more minutes, and then hopefully the chicken's actually done.
It's done. It's done. Don't you worry.
I never know when chicken's done.
I can tell. Just like if I weigh some food, I can pretty much eyeball. What I do, this is what I do. I will put something on the scales. I won't even look at the number on the scales. Then when I feel I've got about the right amount, I'll look at the scales and I'm pretty close.
I'm not. Well, yeah, this looks like enough. Usually more.
You don't test yourself all the time? I test myself all the time. Like I close my eyes, right, sometimes in front of the mirror, and then I think, God, I'm going to look fucking great, and I open my eyes and I fucking do.
It's dreaming.
Should cut back on my swearing whilst doing this cooking show, sorry.
Yeah, children are watching.
Yeah, they love curry.
Alright, let's see.
That's boiling.
Is it boiling?
That's boiling, baby.
Okay, alright. So now we're going to add the cabbage.
How much cabbage is that? Half a cabbage?
No, it's like 1/4 of a cabbage. You can add more if you want, but we've got a lot of stuff in there, so try to balance it out. And then you're going to cook that for a few more minutes until the cabbage is tender. And Like I said, hopefully by that time the chicken's done.
Chicken's already done.
Looks good.
Looks great.
Mmm.
If you get the shits in the morning, just blame your Romanian food. Wasn't the chicken
What Romanian food?
that you had today.
Oh yeah. Wasn't the chicken being uncooked?
Let that simmer for a little while.
Oh, that's delicious.
You should see what she's drinking there. Not part of the diet.
Not paleo, not keto, not sugar-free, but it's delicious. Copperberg. Thank you, Jag, for smuggling this in your suitcase and bringing this over.
It's a Swedish cider that you cannot get in the US.
Ooh. I was gonna say a couple things also, like if you're trying to put on weight, if you're doing keto, you can add cashews to this. That's gonna be nice.
Avocado, olive oil. But avocado? No, maybe not.
Maybe not avocado.
Some olive oil.
Coconut oil.
Yeah. But use it as a topping, drizzle.
We just really love our olive oil, especially the one from Grove and Vine. If you haven't heard him say it enough.
Yeah.
Or is it Vine and Grove?
Grove
We will
and Vine.
never get it.
Grove and Vine.
Did you see that it's not sticky on the bottom anymore?
On the bottom of...
That pan?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's not burnt at the bottom?
No.
Oh, yeah. Wow. So there you go. It's clean.
All right, I think we're done.
Stop starting with a right.
I know. Okay. Take two. I think we're done. What do you think?
I know we're done. That turkey's well done.
It's turkey now.
Chicken.
Turned into turkey. Well, how do you want to serve it up?
I'll just plop it on there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you can serve this over rice if you are eating carbs. I'm going to have a little bit of these myfon. I don't know I'm saying it right.
How long are your noodles going to be?
I don't know. They should be ready. I'm going to have them like over some noodles.
Well, do you want to put your noodles down then?
Yeah. Have my noodles down. Or you could just eat them, like they said, without any carbs and just add some nuts if you want some extra fats. Maybe I'm going to do this without you watching. Okay.
No, do it.
No!
Yeah, don't do it. Really? Bloody women. Let it drain a little. Good amount of it?
Yeah, that's all right. Thank you.
See, spread it round so it looks kind of like a spaghetti bolognese.
Interesting.
There you go.
Interesting methods.
And then,
Aww.
how much do you want?
One more scoop. Perfect.
There you go. Oh man, ruining my decoration here. There you go.
Voila! That's some coconut chicken curry for you. So easy to make.
And the thing is, this is healthy, but it tastes amazing. It's like you're going to a restaurant and you're having a very creamy, unhealthy dish. But
Yeah.
it's far from it. It's
This
very
is gonna fool
healthy.
you.
And the coconut milk and the coconut oil really does give you an exotic taste.
Yeah. I recommend this if you're trying to get, impress anyone.
Huge.
If you're trying to be huge.
Yeah.
Or get huge. Keep adding that coconut milk. Dump it on there. Alright. If you want to see more videos like this, Well, what do you do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
Woman.
Man. Wanker.